Hi, it's David in the stained glass studio, and I'm putting some reinforcement on a window that we've got. And you can see it's a pretty big window. And what we're doing is I've already put some of this Restrip. Restrip is a very thin copper strip. It bends easily this way, and it gets really rigid when you solder it in because it doesn't bend this way. And what I've done here is I've taken a couple of paint cans, and they're now holding in this strip of Restrip that I've got running along in here, and then we'll solder it. But I want another strip to go on this side of the diamond, and so we'll have two sets of reinforcement that'll go from one side to the other of this project. Now what I'm going to do I have to move my glass over just slightly so I can get this down in between. And since I'll just put a can on top of there. And I get to right here at the edge, and I'll bend it so that we're going up.
How do you know when to put this in?
You know, it's kind of seat of the pants. You know, when you got a really big one, whenever it's larger than 3 feet, you know that you need to do it. And at 3 feet, if it's say 3 foot by 3 foot, you could put it in. And if it's 4 foot by 4 foot, you always put it in. That's just the rule of thumb that we go by. Some designs need it, require it more than others. Now see here where the two are crossing? What I'm going to do here is I'm going to bend this one back that away, and then I'll take this one and I'll bend it back. And actually it's not that big of a deal. And when I solder it, I'll solder one bit here to this edge and one bit here to this edge. And I can just move my paint can over and I don't need another one. And so there they are, and I've already got my iron heated up. So I'm going to solder on either side here. See, that just solders right over the gap that has the piece in there. So it's soldered in there really nicely. Now I can So this one is coming down here, and this one's coming down here. And what's great about it is once you get it soldered, you can't see it at all. There's no way to tell that it's even got any reinforcement in there. And so as a result of that, this is just the best. I mean, it's so much nicer than the other method that we talk about on, we have another video on reinforcing glass, and I didn't have actual video of reinforcement, and that's why I thought this might be a good idea to add that to the series.